Welcome to the IntelliSport Instructor Guide, Section 8. Today we're going to learn about the standard procedures and protocol that you should follow while an instructor at IntelliSport. We only provide 2 misbehavior warnings. After that, they must sit out of the pool. Explain to the parent that this time will not be made up. You'll start off by sitting them out for 1 minute. And if it occurs again, it will increase to 2 minutes and 3 minutes for every incident. Whenever you're speaking with a client, you are required to record all phone conversations. You can do this by downloading a call recorder app on your iPhone or Android device. Ensure that it records 2 ways. The reason for this is so that if any issues arise, there is no he say or she say. We have it all recorded. No one will be able to say that you said anything that you didn't say if we have all of the conversations recorded. You're also required to take screenshots of any and all text messages communicated between you and the client. Anytime this information is requested, it is required for you to provide it to the IntelliSport staff. Again, this will diffuse any issues that occur. We can easily say, look back at this text message. We have it screenshotted. And also look at this voice recording that we have. I did come to the lesson and we didn't speak about making up a class. It's important that you follow those 2 policies. It will avoid any potential issues or potential pay dockings. Whenever a client is hurt, you want to provide first aid assistance. Or call 911 for medical emergency help. Anytime a client has an issue, do not try to solve it using all of their swim time. Direct them to the customer service line, which is found in your agreement, so that a customer representative can help them with their issue. IntelliSport has weather alerts and no-show policies. Sometimes there's weather issues. We are still required to perform the class even if there's slight rain. If there's heavy rain or any visual sign of thundering or lightning, you and the client must exit the pool. If the client decides to stop, if there's light rain, you must tell them that they will lose the class and you will still be compensated for your work. If there is a no-show, IntelliSport will determine a no-show. If the client does not show up to their class, you will still be compensated. This goes back to why we want to have those recorded conversations and screenshots and text messages. If the client doesn't show up to the pool, take a selfie picture of yourself in the pool in the background with no one there. It'll provide proof as a timestamp as well as a visual picture of what the pool looked like while you were there. So that they can't say that, well, yeah, I didn't show up because they were never there. Well, now we have the proof. You were at the pool, you recorded the conversations, and you had copies of the screenshots and text messages that were sent back and forth. What you want to do is build up some protection between you and the client. We don't want it to come to the point where it's he said or she said, and now the IntelliSport staff is trying to decide who is right. If we have all of the proof from the beginning, then the issues are resolved. But if for some reason the client says they were there and you weren't there, then we have an issue. We'll have to dock your pay or not pay you at all for that lesson. It's important that you follow the standard procedures and protocol when working with IntelliSport. The rules and regulations, as well as what we just went over, can all be found in the instructor agreement. Read it carefully and closely so that you can understand what to do in this situation and what not to do. Thank you for tuning in to the IntelliSport Instructor Guide Section 8. You have now successfully completed your online training. You can re-record and re-watch these videos as many times as you want. Your success is our success. Thank you and enjoy your position with IntelliSport.